Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
Hello. Well, so far we've had a success for the Civic I bought back because Mike, that dumbass, lost the lower portion of the stock airbox, and then Mike, that dumbass, broke the windshield wiper cowl. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Two smart parts, dude.
Really? Dude, I want it. We'll do a Hayabusa swap in it. Alright, time to work on the Civic. Time to do the clutch. Time to do the. Whoa, Ryder, you're tripping on yourself. Alright, guys, get ready to head out. Gotta work on the Civic. It needs a new clutch. Really don't know why it would need a new clutch. The old owner, Mike, drove that car really responsibly. One could say it was adult driven, well maintained, and taken care of the whole time he owned that car. Okay, so I'm doing the clutch on the Civic. Basically, bought the car from Mike. Was driving it for a couple weeks, and then I did maybe one too many VTEC pulls. Was cracking that VTEC, and then clutch started slipping. So it's probably time for a new clutch. That clutch does have a decent amount of miles on it, and it's been driven hard. There are a lot of things on that car, well, not too many, but a lot of things on the car I would like to address. I want to get that car back to its former glory. So yeah, we got some pieces we need to replace. We got the clutch to do, got to do starter for the main mechanical issues it has. There are a couple spots on the body I would like to address. That'll definitely be a separate video. And I would like to vinyl wrap the roof, do a few cosmetic mods to the car, and maybe even repaint the wheels and clean them up. So first things first, just like in every instructional video, disconnect your battery, but also we need to remove the battery. Airbox, ECU, so we can get to all the goodies. Transmission, we have to drop the subframe. And I'm not really looking forward to that, so big job, guys. You'll get that on them big jobs. Starting to look pretty empty.
Find all the bolts and everything?
Found all the tools.
All bolts sorted and put away?
They're probably in this pile.
That's good.
Got the axles out. And this axle, CV boot's leaking. So we're just gonna duct tape it and throw it in.
Yeah, you're good. Just take it out. It could fall. Slow the motor down. Get the bucket out.
Ready to pull the motor mounts, everything's on. we're just gonna support the we're gonna support the engine with a couple of things. Alright, here we go. There's the clutch. Hopefully it's bad. Otherwise I was wasting time. Look at that. Got that JDM badge. I think I need a new shift knob. This one's looking a little crusty. Let's car's coming together. Got new louvers right there. I love this car. I love daily driving this thing. I'm actually driving home from work right now. Figured I'd whip out the old iPhone and, I don't know, talk shit. Ugh. Yeah. When I get home, I'll get out, do a little walk around of the Honda. I'm a new, can honestly say I'm kind of a Honda boy now. So yeah, I'm actually gonna liquidate all my vehicles and just buy Hondas. I'm gonna keep this, sell my truck, get myself a CRV, sell both the Mustangs, buy a hatch and maybe an Integra or something. Yeah, because I'm a Honda boy now. I need to import a Honda. That's what I really need to do. Get myself a JDM right-hand drive. All jokes aside, I actually think that'd be pretty cool. I probably want to do that. But not actually liquidate all my vehicles. I'm going to keep everything, but I don't know. Something about these Hondas, man. Now that I finally got it, like, running and driving to where I can daily drive it, we're good to go. Because I had to do, like I showed you guys a little bit ago, I did the clutch, and I actually had to do the starter twice, which was annoying because I put a brand new starter in because or starter that was in here was going bad. Put a brand new starter in. Since I was doing the clutch at the same time, I was supposed to do all this stuff. Put a new starter in, and that new starter actually went bad in like 3 days of having it. So I had to put another new starter in. Now we're good, I hope, because this car is actually probably, come on dude, cross the street. Really, you're gonna walk? Dumbass. Alright, anywho, this is probably the most fun car, I don't know how to explain it, but this is one of the most fun cars I've ever owned. That's why I'm really happy to have it back. It's just fun. I miss daily driving a stick shift, and in terms of, you know, just driving, even though it has a stage 2 clutch now, it's just so smooth and it's buttery. And then the 2 valve, I need to probably fix something with that because that clutch is really stiff, and it's not even, it's just a stage 1 clutch. Even though I know it's a cable driven clutch, this is hydraulic. I need to address something with it. Maybe get the Maximum Motorsports adjustable quadrant, even though I have an adjustable clutch quadrant, but I don't know. Ugh, driving with one hand. That's the only downfall of having a stick shift is it's hard to film at the same time. But we're home. Let's take a look. Take a look at the JDM. Goodness. There's part of it. It's not perfect. I got a new JDM badge up front. It's actually eBay, so it's not really from Japan, so don't knock me too hard. Wrap this in carbon fiber wrap. It's not real carbon fiber, so you can call me a ricer. Like I showed you, these are new. I had them on before, but they were getting kind of rough, faded. These B-pillars were faded. I actually just wrapped that. These were all crusty. Got new, all around, all 4. eBay special. I have a new badge inside. This one's faded. I put it on. I just didn't want to. I didn't have time to take all the glue and the adhesive off. carbon fiber. I need to either, I have the badge, either put the Civic badge back on or buff this down a little bit more to where you can't see that, to where it used to say Civic. It's decent. Probably gonna wrap the roof because that's fading now. Wheels, I need to redo the wheels. And last but not least, these, you can see it right there on that side, but these seals, I don't know, pretty much every 8th gen, I guess now that they're getting older, they're all missing. But in terms of the 8th gens, and at least the ones I've seen on Marketplace and the stuff that's for sale, this one's still one of the cleaner ones. And especially as I keep doing more and more, it'll continue to get cleaner and cleaner, hopefully. I want to get it to a point to where it's actually really clean, and then start doing some modifications like lowering it, boosting it. I have to show you something. Is that a Honda? It's the same color as you. You guys are both orange. You will now be known as Red Line Dog. The Red Line Dog, everybody. See, he likes it. I think he likes it. Red Line Dog. The Red Line Dog. The Red Line Dog. Hey, Otter, look. It's the Civic again. Anyways, I got to mow the lawn. Need a bigger garage. Those are the old visors. That one broke. Taking it off. I was actually going to put these back on. Unfortunately, whenever I was going to go wrap those B-pillars like I showed you, I had to take those off. Well, my sister actually took that one off, and she broke it. Yeah, I'm going to need to mow the lawn because it's getting bad. So that's the plan, is to upgrade this lawnmower to a Honda lawnmower with that dual overhead cam VTEC, baby. All right. Well, grass is all done. We'll go see if there's a couple cars up at Sonic. Just gonna see what's up there. I haven't been there in a while. And I'll just park to the side because, well, I don't want to intimidate everybody in this 8th gen SI. So yeah, we'll just park to the side so we don't have to intimidate everybody. I will say that for stage 2 clutch, it feels like stock, if not better, honestly. It feels phenomenal. And it's now that it's broken in, I can kind of give it some sauce a little bit. It's actually, I got about 2,500 miles on the clutch now, so it's well broken in. Saying it's an action stage 2 clutch, so yeah, I don't know. So far, so good. Hopefully it lasts a long time. That's really all I need. And yeah, stage 2. I went with stage 2 just so that, you know, I can have a little bit of fun with it. And this is ultimately my daily driver. Ooh, Subaru. This is my daily driver, so I want it to be not too aggressive, but something I could maybe build upon in the future. If not, then I guess money's the game, so I'll have to buy a different clutch. But yeah, as of right now, it feels pretty good. Like I said, I love this car. This is probably one of my favorite cars I've ever owned. I love my 2-valve just because I've had that car forever, but in terms of drivability, this car is just an easier drive. I do need to probably just address my stiff clutch issue on the 2-valve. But yeah, this is fun.
From the factory, they were 290.
Looks better now the car had a bath.